Muhammad Arif,
Yes, sir.
your problem solved or not?
No, sir.
No, I gave you
They
information.
are not replying, sir.
They are not replying.
Yes, sir.
You made a phone call?
Yes, sir. A phone call also, and I sent them WhatsApp message also, but they are not replying.
Is it WhatsApp message? WhatsApp number? I don't know about that. Okay. Okay, I will look into the matter. Now today, I am going to explain the topic. Its name is identifiers. What is that? Identifiers. Right. Now, what is identifier? So, just now I called a name, Muhammad Arif. How can you identify a person? Using the name. How can you identify a person? Using a name. How can you identify a village? For village also there is a name. How can you identify a college? For college also there is a name. So you can identify anything using the name. That name is known as identifier. Now what is identifier? Identifier is a name allocated to variables. Variables means in the previous example I created 3 variables. One is roll number, second one is yes name, third one is average marks. So it is a variable name, it is also variable name, it is also variable name. These names are called as identifier. What is that? Identifier. So identifier is a name allocated to variable or function. Here what is the function? Here main, it is a function. Name of the function is main. So the names allocated to variables, the names allocated to functions, right? Those are called as identifiers. Suppose you create a constant in your program. What is that? Constant. So that constant name also a identifier. So variable, function or constant. So these are called as identifier. So for example, what are the variables? Integer, roll number. Here, what is the identifier? Integer or roll number? What is the identifier? Here, roll number is an identifier. Right. Now I will give one more example. Example 2. I am writing character CH. What is the identifier here? CH is an identifier. Right. So the name is nothing but identifier. So it is example 1 and it is example 2. Right. Now note on what is identifier. Note on this. Here roll number is an identifier. In this line CH is an identifier. Identifier is nothing but name allocated to variable, function or constant or constant. My dear friends, after completion of writing, please tell me.
Completed.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Right. Now the next heading is constant. What is the meaning of constant? Constant is opposite to variable. What is the variable? Tell me. Variable means it change its value. It change its value. Now what is a constant? It is opposite. Means it can change or it doesn't change. It does not change its value. So it is called as constant. So what is a constant? The abbreviation is constant is a variable which retain its value until program termination. Until program termination. Once you give a value to a constant, after that you cannot change it. Until program termination, it doesn't change. Suppose if you try to change, then computer will produce error. If we try to change the value of constant, then we will get error. We will get error. This is. Now, how to create a constant? We can create a constant in two ways. How many ways are there? Two ways. One is by using hash define command. Hash define command. Second one is by using const keyword. Const keyword. I am going to give two examples for two ways. The first way, by using hash define command, we can create a constant. Which command I have to use? Hash define means now you are going to define a constant. Hash define allows you to define a constant. Now the constant name is pi. What is the constant name? Pi. What is the constant value? 3.14. It is the constant value. So after hash define, you have to give space. After constant also you have to give space, right? So here you define a constant, its name is pi. Here pi is a constant name, right? Now there is one more model, that is by using const keyword. Suppose you create integer or float pi equal to 3.14. Now what is the meaning of this one? Data type followed by name. It is called as variable creation. You created a variable, its name is pi. What is its value? 3.14 is the pi value. Whenever you create a variable, you have to assign the value by using equal to operator. Here you should not give equal to, here you have to give space. So it is called as variable. But I have to create a constant, not a variable. Constant can be created by using which keyword? Const keyword, const. Whenever you write const before the variable name, then it converts as a constant. After this, you cannot change the value of pi. Pi value is always 3.14. Now here, what is the constant name? Here, pi is a constant. Here also pi is a constant name, right? Now this is about constants. Constant is nothing but a variable which retain its value, means which always maintain the same value until program termination. That is known as constant. Right? Write on this. Note down from constant.
Completed, sir.
Good. The next heading is keywords. Keywords. Now, what is a keyword? Suppose I am start a company in Gunturu and I am going to name it as Google. Can I name my company as Google? Or can I name my company as Microsoft?
No, sir.
No. Why? Why, Dhanasri?
They have payment, the patent. They have patent.
Good. Right. So, TCS, Microsoft, Google, all these companies take patent rights on that name. They only can use. We cannot use that name for our company. So that is name. What is the meaning of that one? The name was reserved for that. Am I right? The name was reserved for that company. In the same manner, in our C language also, there are so many words reserved. Those reserved words are nothing but keywords. So what is a keyword? It is a reserved word. Reserved word. You should not change the meaning of keyword, right? So it doesn't allow to change the meaning of keyword. We cannot change the meaning of keyword. Right. Now, keyword is nothing but a reserved word. It is also an identifier. It is a predefined identifier. Suppose these are the variables defined by you. You are the developer. You are the creator. But keywords are already defined in the system by the Dennis Ritchie. Who is the Dennis Ritchie? He is the developer of C language. He is the developer of C language. So, keywords are predefined identifiers. What are those? Predefined identifiers. So, in C language, there are 32 keywords. In C, there are how many keywords? 32 keywords are there. For example, int, char, float, double, short, long, signed, unsigned, void, if, switch, go to, break, continue, while,
else,
for, do, else, case, struct, union, enum, type def, auto, static, register, extern, return. Right, there are some 32 keywords are there like this, right? So these are about keywords. Keywords are nothing but reserved words. You should not alter the meaning of this one. You should not change the meaning of keyword, right? These are having specific purpose. You have to use for that purpose only. You cannot use it for other purposes, right? Note on this. Note on from keyword. Salman, any doubt?
Yes, sir. 1 minute. 1 minute, sir. We need. Hello, Sandesh. How are you?
Tell me. Salman, tell me.
Sir, completed.
Completed?
So not yet, sir.
Dhanasri completed? Sandeep completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. Now the next topic is operators. Right. I will explain what is operators here. I am going to opening a paintbrush. Here I am going to write an expressions, some expressions. 5 plus 6, a minus b, t into 3, like that. What are these? Tell me. These three are called as expressions. It is an expression. It is also an expression. It is also an expression. Right. Now here, what is the operation I am going to carry? The operation name is sum. 5 plus 6. Which operation we are going to do? Sum. In a minus b, we are going to do subtraction. In t into 3, we are going to do multiplication. Right. Now, to perform the operation sum, you used one tool. What is the name of that one? Plus. To perform an operation subtraction, which tool used? Minus. To perform multiplication, you used one tool. What is the name of that one? Star. To perform an operation, you used some tools. Those tools are called as operators. To perform an operation, we need to use some tools. Those tools are called as operators. Right here, you performed 3 operations on 6 values. One is 5, 6, AB, T3. You are performing operations on whom? 5 and 6, A and B, T and 3. So, on which you are performing operation, that is known as operand. What is that? Operand. So, totally how many operands are here? 6 operands are here. So, it is an operand. Right. What are these 6 operands? Now, is it clear what is operator? What is operand? Is it clear? Now, operator is nothing but a tool which is used to perform the operation. Right? Now, what is operator? Now, tell me. Operator. It is a tool like as wrench, cutting blade, screwdriver, like that. It is a tool which is used to perform operation. Right. Now, what is operand? Operand may be a constant. It may be a constant. See, 5 is a constant, no? 6 is also a constant. Now, what about A? A is not a constant. A is a variable. B is also a variable. So, it may be a constant or variable, or here what are the constant? 1 variable, 1 constant. Both also we can have. So, operand may be a constant or variable or both. This is about operators. Now, how many types of operators are there? There are 9 types of operators are there. Types of operators. How many types of operators are there? 9 types. C language supports 9 types of operators. One is arithmetic operator. Second one is logical operator. Third one is relational operator. Fourth one is bitwise operator. Next one is increment or decrement operator. Next one is assignment operator. Next one is compound operator. Next one is conditional operator. Last one is special operator. Totally, how many types of operators are there? 9 types of operators are there, right? Note on this.
So scroll down.
Picture completed?
Yes, sir.
Oh, correct. Right.
Yes, sir, completed.
Okay. Okay. Now, arithmetic operators. Before going to see the arithmetic operators, I will give an example. What is the formula to find simple interest? PTR by 100. Am I right? P into T into R divided by 100. What is the formula to find the net salary of an employee? It is equal to basic salary plus house rent allowance plus direct allowance minus PM. Actually, these are called as formulas. Am I right? To find the two values, I used two formulas. One for simple interest, one for net salary. These are called as arithmetic expressions. These are also called as arithmetic expressions. To evaluate these arithmetic expressions, you have to use plus, minus, into, here you have into. PTR means P into T into divided by, all these are operators are called as arithmetic operators. Now, what is the meaning of arithmetic operators? The operators, those are used to evaluate the arithmetic expressions. The arithmetic expressions. Now, what are the examples of arithmetic operators? These are the arithmetic operators: plus, minus, into, by. What is this one? Last one. It is not percentage. It is called as modulus or mod operator. What is the meaning of mod operator? It gives the remainder. I will give an example here. Now I am opening Excel. Right. Now there is a number 16. I am dividing with 5. In 16, 5 will goes how many times? 3 times. 5 into 3 equal to how much? 15. What is the remainder here? 16 minus 15 equal to what is the remainder? 1 is the remainder. Now this is called as quotient. Am I right? Quotient. This is called as remainder. When you divide a number with another number, you will get two values. One is quotient, second one is remainder. To find the remainder, you have to use this mod operator, percentage symbol. Percentage symbol gives remainder. When you divide a number with another number, you will get remainder. That remainder can be found by using percentage symbol. So plus, minus, into, by, percentage, you know all these. Do you know or not? Right, you know. Now, see here, I will give a small example on this example program or write a program. Write a program. WAP means write a program to read a number, comma, remove the last digit from number. This is the program, right? This is the program. Now, what is the program? Read out. What you have to do? You have to read a number. After that, you have to remove the last digits. Suppose I have a number like this. My number is 125. Then what to do? I have to remove the last digit. Means what? 5 I have to remove. After remove the 5, the number becomes just 12. So my intention is to remove the last digit. How to remove the last digit of a given number? We have to divide with 10. You have to divide with 10. In 125, 10 goes how many times? 12 times. 12 into 10 equal to how much? 120. What is the remainder? 125 minus 120 equal to 5. 5 is the remainder. Now, see this. The given number is 125. After remove the last digit, we have to get only 12. This is the 12. This is the answer. Now, how to get this answer? We have to divide a number with 10. You have to divide a number with 10. Right? I will give an example here. First of all, he is asking to read a number, so integer number. You have to create a variable, integer. Why I use an integer here? Why? Because we have to read a number. Number means integer. Good. After that, we have to read the data. Reading means a couple of statements. Printf and scanf you have to write. In printf, you have to ask the question. What you need? You need a number. So enter a number. It is the question. How to read a number? By using scanf, I can read scanf. Now I have to read a number. Number means percentage D. D means decimal number. In scanf, you have to use the ampersand symbol. After reading the data, where you have to store? In number variable. So ampersand number you have to use. Enter a number. After that, you read a number successfully. Now what to do? Now we have to remove the last digits. For that there is a formula. Number equal to number by 10. Number by 10. We have to divide a number with 10. Then by operator gives what? By operator gives quotient. Now what is the quotient? 12. Now last digit 5 was removed and 12 we got. So we have to store the result in number. So number equal to outright. Now print the result, printf. What you are going to print? Number after remove last digit equal to percentage D, comma. Where is the number? In variable number you have. So the result is stored in number. So I printed number. Now execute this program. It is asking to enter a number. My number is 1478. Now after removing the last digit, what should be my answer? 147. See here, number after remove the last digit equal to 147. Got it? You have to remove, you have to byhead this formula. What is the last? How to remove the last digit? Number equal to number by 10. It is the formula. You have to byhead. Now it is the program. Here you need to byhead this line to remove the last digit. You have to write this code. Right? Now note on this. Arithmetic operators. Sandeep completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Completed, sir.
Okay. Now, can I give a homework program to you? Which is as same as the above program. Now, homework program is write a program to read a number, comma, remove the last two digits from number. You have to delete the last two digits. Now see here. My example is 1478. It is the number. I have to remove one digit or two digits. Last two digits. After remove last two digits, what should be the answer? The answer should be 14. How to find it? We have to divide with 100. That's it. 100. In 1478, 100 will go how many times? 14 times. 14 into 100 equal to how much? 1400. Now what is the remainder? 78 is the remainder. So number divided by 100. Number equal to number by 100. Then it remove the last two digits. 1478. First two digits are 14. 14 we got. So what is the formula here? You need to change only one thing. Here number equal to number by 100 you have to write. That's it. Can you write at home? Can you write this program at home?
Yes, sir.
Good. Homework program. Now I am going to write one more program. Third program. Write a program to read a number, comma, remove the last three digits from number. What we have to write? Tell me. Number equal to number by
1000.
good. Number equal to number by 1000. Good. Right. With this Sandeep. Good. Right. Number equal to number by 10. Now is it your code block working, Sandeep? Code block working or not?
No, sir. It is.
Where you are doing? Online compiler we are using?
Yeah, online compiler.
Okay, right. Okay, right. No problem at all. So now, next, I am writing one more program, D program. See, it is D. Right. Write a program to read a number, comma, find the last digit. Suppose, what is my example here? My number is 1478. Now I have to find the last digit. What is the last digit here?
8.
8. How to find that? We have to divide with 10. In 1478, 10 will go so many times? 147 times. 147 into 10 equal to how much? 1470. 1470. 1478 minus 1470. What is the remainder? 8 is the remainder. Now, here what you have to do? We have to find the quotient or remainder?
Reminder.
Remainder. Now, what is the formula? Remainder equal to number mod 10. We have to divide a number with 10 and find the remainder. So, see here. Here I have to read a number. So, I am creating a variable number. I am reading a number. Reading means couple of statements. Printf and scanf. What is the question here? Enter a number. How to read this number? Scanf %d, comma, I am % number. Now what to do? We have to find the last digit. For that, I am using one more variable. It is a reminder. What is that? Reminder. Reminder means last digit. Reminder equal to what is the formula? Number mod 10. Mod operator gives reminder or quotient. Reminder. Here you will get this one. So now you find the last digit. Print it. Print. Last digit equal to percentage d comma reminder. You have to print the remainder. Now execute this one. Computer is asking to enter a number. My number is 147. What is the last digit in 147? 7. Got it? In this way, you can find the last digit of given number. Right. Now, here you have to copy and paste the program. From here, you know, from B, from question B, no doubt. It is also a homework program. So, Ms. Sri, is it completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Good.
Yes.
Now, I am going to give two more homework programs, right? Like same as this one. Now, write a program to read a number, comma, find the last two digits. Then, instead of using remainder equal to number mod 10, you have to use the remainder equal to number mod 100. That's it. See this program. Instead of using number mod 10, better to use the number mod 100. Now you will get the last two digits. Now execute this program. My number is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what are the last two digits? 3, 4. Got it? Yes. What you have to change? Remainder equal to number mod 100. You have to change the formula. Can you write at home?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now the next question. F also. Write a program to read a number, comma, find the last three digits. What is the formula for this, Sandeep?
Just 1000 mod of.
Remainder equal to number mod
Yes, 1000.
1000. Good. Now it is also homework program. Right. Okay. Are you comfortable or not?
Yes, sir, I am.
No. Okay. Can I give homework or not? That I
Yes,
am
sir,
asking.
it's good. It will be good practice.
Good. Right. Now, the next operator is, second operator is logical operators. What is that? Logical operators. Logical operators. See, while going to any shopping mall, there are so many discounts. The discount is like this. We have to purchase minimum 3 items. As well as the cost of 3 items should be more than 2000. How many conditions are there? We have to purchase at least 3 items. Your amount should be more than 2000. How many conditions are there? How many conditions? How many?
2.
Good. 2 conditions. One is items greater than or equal to 3. You have to purchase at least 3 items. Second one is cost should be greater than or equal to 2000. There are 2 conditions. How to join them? By using AND operator. In C language, AND is equal to this one. AND. It is called AND. Ampersand and ampersand. It is called AND. Now, it is called as a logical operator. AND or not. These are called as logical operators. Now, tell me what is the use of logical operators? What is the use of AND here? To combine multiple conditions, we have to use logical operators. So, the logical operators are used to combine multiple conditions. If you want to combine multiple conditions, then you have to use logical operators. Now, see here, it is the condition. No? Suppose I purchased 4 items. Items equal to 4. Now, the cost of 4 items is 2600. Now, what happens here? Substitute the cost items here. Items means 4. 4 greater than or equal to 3. And cost means, what is the cost here? 2600. 2600 greater than or equal to 2000. Now, 4 greater than or equal to 3. What is the result of this one? Is it true or false? It is true. It is true. And 2600 greater than or equal to 2000. Is it true or false? It is also true. Now, AND operator works on true or false. Suppose I mentioned only 1600. Now, what about this one? 1600 is greater than or equal to 2000? No. Here you got false. Now, logical operators works on true or false. On which it can work? The logical operators works on, tell me, operators works on what? True or false? Right. After executing this, true and false, what is the result? It is true or false. What is the result of this one? True and false is equal to false. Right? Now, what is the result? Final result? Final result also true or false. So, it gives true or false as output. The output also true or false. Now, what are the examples of logical operators? One is ampersand, ampersand. What is the meaning of this one? It is equal to AND. 2 pipe symbols. 2 pipe symbols. It is equal to or. Exclamation symbol. It is equal to not operator. What is that? Not operator. So, this is about AND or not. Now, in mathematics, you know truth table of AND, truth table of OR. Do you remember or not? Right, I will explain. It is a truth table of and. Truth table of and means ampersand ampersand. Now, here you have to mention the expression 1. Here you have to mention expression, second expression. Expression 2. Here you have to mention the result. Right. Now it is called as truth table. Right. First one is true. Second also true. Third one false. Fourth one also false. 2 times true, 2 times false. In second expression, write 1 true and 1 false. Write 1 true and 1 false. Now, what is the result of this one? True and true equal to true. And operator gives true when both are true. This is also true, this is also true, so answer is true. What about this one? It is false. Why? Because it requires both are trues. It is true, but it is false, no? Now it is false. It is false. Then we need not to check this. If it is false, then it is false. It is false. Then we need not to check it. So it is false. So AND operator gives true when both are true. Now next one is, what is the truth table of OR? Truth table of OR. It is a truth table of OR. What is the symbol for OR? 2 pipe symbols. 2 pipe symbols. Now truth table of OR means OR operator gives true when one condition is true. It is true, no? Then we need not to bother about this. It is true, then answer is true. It is true, then answer is true. It is false, then we have to check it. Second one, it is true, so its answer is true. It requires any one true. So it is false, then it checks second one, it is also false. Now the answer is false. Now it will give true when either one bit is true. Either one bit is true. Now next one is truth table of not operator. Which one? Truth table of not. So this one here, truth table of not. Right. Here you can take expression. We have only one expression. Why? Because not operator works on single expression. Here result. If it is true, then your answer is false. If you put a not operator before true, not true means false. False, not false means you will get a true. So this is about truth table of not. Right. So note on this. Note down from here. You completed this one now. You have to write from homework. Am I right? E. Note on this. There is no assignment sheet specially, right? Okay, I will explain you more programs, but sometimes see if there are similar programs, then I can give assignment. Otherwise, I cannot give assignment. No, so I am here to explain you. Most of the time is for explanation, for explain the programs. Here we got similar programs. That's why I can able to give the homework. What is that, Teja? What you want to ask me? Then
Sir.
from where to practice means?
Sir,
Then from where to practice means?
I didn't get you, sir.
Amma? What is the meaning of that one? What you are asking?
Sir, I'm asking, will you be sending class recordings and material to email?
Okay, once you paid, every day you will get a recording link. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Material you have to note down. Material you will not get it to the email. Okay? Material you have to, every day you have to note it down.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So every day I will give minimum and maximum 10 programs I can explain. You can practice these better. Why? Because you don't have that much of time to practice hundreds of programs per day, right? Every day I will give 10 programs at least. So you better to practice, see this material very well. After completion of this course, you go for other programs, right? At the learning stage, you should not practice other programs. You better to practice the programs, those already I explained. That's enough. My dear friends, the time is up. Okay, I have one more class, Java class now. Now tomorrow, can you note of this?
Okay,
Please.
okay.
Okay, then right now I am leaving.